Hey everyone, welcome to How to What is channel. Please give attention and follow every step we take. For importing file, we need to copy the library file first. Then we need to select the file which one we want to import to the library. Let's copy the file. Then we need to go to C drive, then program data, then lab center electronics, then Proteus professional, then library. We need to paste the file here. Here you see we have already imported the file. We need to copy and replace it. Done. We have successfully completed importing a file. Which one is Arduino library file. Thanks for watching.